Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change time zones in Google Calendar. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Google Calendar, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you download Google Calendar? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After downloading, it's going to take you right into the homepage of your account because Google will automatically create an account for you on Google Calendar. Why is that so? That's because your Google account has been set up in your phone. If it has not been set up in your phone, then you have to go through the process of setting up your Google account. But if it has been done, signing in is going to be hassle free. Now, once you sign in successfully, and it takes you to this homepage, you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Google Calendar. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change time zones in Google Calendar. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have the three keypad menu. So over here, you have a couple of features from schedule, day, 3 days, week, month, refresh, all the way down to settings. Now go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, it takes you here where you have general, events from email, manage accounts, you have events, you have tags, you have copy of tutorial, you have birthdays, and you have holidays. So go ahead and click on general, and once you click on general, it takes you over here where you have start of the week and you have use devices time zone. So if this is toggled on, then you will not be able to change the time zone. So let's say it's toggled on like this, go ahead and toggle it off. Now once you toggle it off, it will take you, this will be enabled. So click on time zone. Now the time zone is set to West Africa Standard Time. So let's say you want to change the time zone. If you want to do that, go ahead and type it in the search bar. So let's say Eastern Standard Atikokan. Let's say I want to use the Eastern Standard Time, that's for Cayman Island. So I can just click on that, and once I click on that, you see that the time zone has been changed. So I can click on time zone again and set it back to where it was, which is West African Standard Time. That's what I use in my feature. So that's it. That is how you can change the time zones in Google Calendar. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.